Hi, I'm Sosa.
Hi, I'm Özlem.
Together we're different.
You're like
Yeah, rainy
Yeah.
days.
rainy days. Okay, let's go. Wow.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone like gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 tell me it was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시 can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말 할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy
Is that a
days
baguette?
like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
Oh, that's a crime. That's a crime. That is too short.
I love this.
That's
I love this so much.
it's so good. I'm in shock. I'm in a literal shock.
Ah. Bro, I live for this kind of vibe. What are you trying to do? Oh, we're not re-listening?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Wow.
I love this vibe.
This
I love
vibe
this.
is so nice.
I love this aesthetic.
Guys, again, there is not a single word that's gonna leave my body. When you listen really carefully. Oops, go
What's your favorite frame?
Wait. I think it's this one?
This one?
Yeah. For sure. I really like, and this one too.
I like the one on top.
This one?
The second one. No. Down?
Okay.
The one on top of yours, yeah.
Wow. But also like the one where he's smiling. That's so freaking cute. I love it.
Bro, I love I
He
love this
looks
video.
Stunning. He looks stunning. He sounds amazing. This song is so good.
I
as
love
well.
when they make like rainy day music
With
the
rain.
rain. I'm so sorry because sometimes when they make rainy day music and it's not raining and they don't put the rain in the song, I can't always listen to it. If the sun is shining, no.
It's not
But like if
raining.
you put the rain in the song, yeah, I can pretend.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's so many. So sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry.
Mental
Don't.
illness. There's so many frames of him that I just
Yeah. Yeah.
wait. Shabbat.
And I love that you can, there's like so many storylines that you can like,
I love this.
Özlem, this is amazing.
What's that?
This
Ah,
is amazing.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back.
no, cause
No, that was crazy. Wait, the rest, the empty space.
yeah,
How to find the
he's
way
like, where are you?
right back
Oh my god.
to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
Oh my god, the way he's like,
right back to you.
hey.
On rainy days like staring at my
Okay, V.
I love that.
phone. I can't
I feel like I'm supposed to be seeing something in here. I don't know why. Why is there so many? What is that?
I don't know. For some reason, it reminds me of Silo. If it was more aesthetic, I don't know if people know that show.
Nope. Wow. Are all his music videos shot in Spain?
reach, hoping for your call lately.
Cause this,
Oh,
yeah,
maybe.
that's Spain. That's definitely
Yeah.
Spain. But this shot, this view.
I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시.
Bro, I want to hear the rest of the album.
Yonton is so cute. I love how much he included his dog and everything.
We go back to the moment.
Cover
again,
art
yeah.
too, right?
Hmm?
Cover art too, right?
So cute.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Who's able to look at those papers and know what that is?
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you,
Wow,
what to
wow,
say.
wow,
Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Damn. So sorry, guys. Am I sorry? I don't know. Because I'm blessing you guys as well.
Back to you on rainy days like.
I thought this was such a nice touch.
Remember-
The repeat and then the glassy eye.
Do you see my hand? Do you see it? That's all I'm gonna say.
Used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me
You don't even have to tell me twice. I think we all saw what we saw.
First, the W Korea thing with his arms and the nails and the hands and everything.
I love the nail art. It's so simplistic, but it's so effective.
He's gonna drive me insane.
Don't tell
He's
me
going
it's
to
over.
or
We can
is
start it over. 너는 나의
has
late
been.
clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
I
I
first
see
didn't
you in the
recognize
back.
what those pictures were, but then I was like, because it's like a full length
Something
pants. But then I saw the shorts and I was like, oh, it's those pictures.
what to say. Wish I knew how to find.
Don't look in the camera, bro. It makes me want to cry for
I'm
real.
thinking about.
He has
I really want him in movies. I can't help
yes,
it.
He's so good on camera.
Like a story of a guy that was sent to explore a planet, and then they kept sending people, but he was the only one that was able to adapt to the atmosphere properly.
I swear.
And then over the course of time, he's the only one that's left behind. And then rainy days.
The
The
baguette.
baguette, bro.
Yeah. It's not.
What to say. Wish I knew how to find.
So sorry.
I'm thinking about you. What to say. Wish I knew how to find.
Echt overdreven mooi.
Thank you.
Nee, hier.
The way.
Dat is echt mijn favoriet.
Seriously.
Right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days.
Damn, I was like, what shot is this? And then I remember, I'm in this man's business.
On rainy days like rainy days. I'm thinking about you. What to say. Wish I knew how to find the.
So blessed, bro.
You know what's crazy?
Thinking about you. What to say. Wish I knew how to find
The most beautiful man, I swear.
the way. Right back to you. On rainy days like.
The fuck was that?
Yeah.
Ah, the
The remote control.
yeah. That's cute. That's a cute detail.
What a voice. What a voice.
I don't want to speak. I really don't
If I
wanna
speak.
If I speak, I really don't want to speak. I feel like my reaction is very underwhelming. Maybe. to some
No,
of
but
you,
it
but
honestly,
I'm
if you're not feeling like more, because this is literally a song for that kind of vibe.
I swear.
You're not supposed to be like going crazy or whatever. It's
Exactly.
rainy days.
Also, like,
I love this.
I feel stressed.
Cozy
No.
and stuck.
I really feel stressed. In a way that gewoon...
Tell me about it.
Kent je dat? Ik wil wenen, maar dat... Allee.
I understand.
Kent je dat als je zo... Ik kan dat niet uitleggen. I feel empty. In a way. Dat is zo, ik wil wenen en ik weet dat wenen gaat helpen, maar ik kan niet wenen. Die.
You're not at that part yet.
I feel like I
To be
don't
able
want
to
to
cry.
cry. I don't want to cry at
but
all.
crying would solve a lot.
Yeah. I don't feel like crying or something. But I feel like
But it would help.
if I look at this, my eyes get teary. You know what I mean? I'm like, but why are we crying? Like, why?
Aren't you? Like, I get it. If you're overwhelmed, then
I feel like I
it's
feel like
very
I'm
overwhelming.
overwhelmed.
It's
There's a lot
very
that's going on.
overwhelming. Back to back.
I just
And this is your bias. This is the
my ultimate
this is the guy that kicked it off, right?
the
kicked
the
off your
start of
whole
everything.
K-pop journey.
Don't.
I'm not saying anything.
You're gonna make me cry for real. I'm just so happy. I feel that's also a feeling that I'm feeling very heavily is I'm very talking zit er niet in voor mij vandaag. Hè?
It's okay. You don't have to speak.
I feel very proud of him, but in a not proud way. I can't explain. It's like I watched his growth with my own eyes, but I don't know him like that. So
okay. So you
I know him like
you have
that.
a feeling of you feel proud, but
I watched
like
him grow as an artist.
yes,
Like I really watched him.
but there's obviously still a distance
There's a
because
distance
exactly
because
you don't know him.
He's an idol. I'm a fan, you know.
Mm.
But I just feel like I really watched him grow up and become this amazing artist and musician. Just it's crazy. Even his voice, the way that he's singing. I know his voice. I know that he can sing. But the way that he utilizes it in these songs is just so good. And I'm so happy that we've kind of stepped away from. He's really singing in his own personal color. He's really singing in his tone. Like he doesn't feel the need to like go higher, go lower. He's just singing, and I love that a lot.
Rainy days, I'm thinking.
Because I just know I can. It's gonna sound insane, but you get what I mean when I say that? Like you can feel when they're singing in a very relaxed tone. Like this is very like. I can imagine him. I don't know if that's the way he did it, but I can just imagine him behind the microphone, like rainy days, na, 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 just like very relaxed, shoulders slumped, like hair messy. He's wearing like an oversized sweater, glasses, and he's just like vibing. And he's like, that's what I get.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
I love him a lot. I really love him, my baby. Yeah, I said it. My God!
Touch, I remember your kiss. Come out and
Wow.
touch it, and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
What heb ik gedaan?
It's okay. It's okay.
Why?
Say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking.
Song goes insane.
I remember your kiss. Come out and I touch it, and I miss you. Rainy days.
Do you know the thing with the baguette is I will fuck around and take a bite out of the paint. Be like, oh, baguette. Gum. But he's so gorgeous in the simplest way. Without too much, you know?
He really
like
doesn't
too much
need-
of la 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 la.
Like this is literally.
There's like he's not wearing anything. The makeup is like just there for the light for the shooting, you know? Like there's no we're not telling a story with makeup. Well, we are telling a story with makeup. We're telling a story of makeup of a simple man singing a simple
I'm
song.
really obsessed.
Bringing the whole fandom to its knees.
Thinking about
But it's simplicity.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Do you know what I love when I see
Is that more bread?
yeah.
This man.
So he has a painting bakery? Wait, is there a story here?
Is he making bread in the beginning? Is that what he's doing? I don't know.
Change is still the same.
He's
Oh,
literally
wait,
making
he was
bread.
literally making bread.
Because he was pouring flour and shit.
Yeah, because I was like, first I thought it was sugar. I was like,
same. I
bro,
was like, what's with the sugar?
are you okay?
Like,
늦었지만 우리 다시 Can we go back to
no,
the
that's sugar.
Or salt?
Or salt, but not flour.
moment again?
I feel like it's... Ja. Tine suiker is ook blauwe zak. But first I was like, oh, if it's blue, then it's salt. But that's not.
Exactly.
That's not a good thought process.
Days I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I
Nah, guys, I'm stupid.
find the way right back to you.
I love this living bedroom situation. Bro, like
On rainy days like rainy.
I accepted defeat. Well, if you buy a stay, you just have to take his feet with it. Like,
Is that true?
yeah, that's his thing. But this look is amazing as well. He fits this. Like, this is, if you were to tell me that this is his actual house and this is how he lives,
Oh, really?
I would 100% believe you. Not that messy, but you know, like the vibes and
Yeah, no, the vibes. Yeah,
what,
for
like
sure.
this for sure. This is like his house in Barcelona or something. He just has a place, an apartment there.
Days I'm thinking about you,
I'm obsessed.
what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Damn it. This shot is insane.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm not really gonna say much more things that are gonna make sense anyway. I'm very excited for the rest of the album
Yeah,
and for
me
the
too.
other music videos, and I'm very.
Me too.
I want to go lay in my bed and cry.
I want to go to there.
I want to go to there.
Honestly, this is such a good song. It's such a good song. And it's perfect for you.
I feel like I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna rewatch this reaction. I'm gonna be like, why didn't you say this and this and this and this and this and this?
You're gonna
and
text
this
everything
and this
to me,
this?
and I didn't have to even say this, and I didn't
I'm
do
gonna
that.
be so mad at myself. I'm gonna be like, Özlem, what is this reaction? People are literally gonna think that you are not interested at all.
Doesn't matter,
It doesn't matter at all.
because you love it. I do too.
I'm gonna rewatch this.
I can't wait to hear the rest of the album. But yeah,
My baby, kuzum. I will hurt everyone that caused a single tear in your eye. Everyone. I will kill them one by one. I'm kidding.
guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next.
And as always, like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, show us, and take a lot of love.
Bye.
어딜 거역해봐 내가 앞에 있잖아 딴 생각하는 게 다 눈에 보이는데